congratulations. Ang tagal to hinantay ng fans. Finally, April is showing. But first of all, I've seen a few behind the scenes clips. Can you take us there? How fun is it, shooting with one another?
Oh, it's so fun kasi after reading the book, ako naging fan talaga ako ng book. And so, bago pa kami mag-start, sobrang excited na ako. And knowing the Zeke and Amy character, yung banter nila, it's really fun, especially working with Ren. I enjoyed it so much.
And iba yung feeling ng kapag excited ka dun sa ginagawa mo. As in, mag-register sa camera, mag-register on screen. So, lalo na with Direct Fifth, na very funny person. So, ang saya talaga sa set. Very light and ang saya-saya. Lahat ng tao, every single eksena, after nun, magtatawanan. So, it's a happy set talaga. Dahil sobrang gusto namin yung ginagawa namin and also, of course, the project.
And Mark was talking about the banter on the show. Kayo ba, naibato nyo nga ba? Or was there like breaking the ice time? And if there was, how did you break the ice between you two?
Well, portraying a character in a book is such a thing because you have so much reference. So dun pa lang doon yung backbone ng character. That's why the role of Amy and Zeke talagang nakakatuwa sila kasi ibang-iba sila. So makikita mo na sobrang seryoso, yung isa naman sobrang loko-loko. Kaya
Tsaka parang wala kaming ganung moment na kailangan namin magpakiramdaman pa with each other na nahirapan kami. Parang walang ganon. Parang ang dali-dali for us na gawin yung mga eksena namin. Kasi pag nag-read pa lang kami, parang very comfortable. Kaya ang natural din namin na deliver yung mga lines, yung mga eksena. Tapos minsan parang nabibigyan pa namin ng ibang flavor. Kasi,
siguro malaking bagay yung nabasa namin yung way ahead bago kami nag-shoot.
How way ahead?
Siguro mga 4 months.
Wow, 4 months, so deep dive.
yeah, opo. And ano pa lang, nung binigay pa lang yung project. As in, ako personally, binasa ko talaga agad. In less than 2 weeks, natapos ko yung book. So after nun, meron pa kaming chance and meron kaming time to study the script aside dun sa book.
Wattpad, of course, it has its own, kumbaga, talagang cult following. And you guys have been around. You've done horror, you've done, teleseries, etc. What makes this different doing this as an actor?
Oh, iba kapag book. Kasi this one has 390 million
Grabe,
reads.
di ba? 300 million.
So parang doon pa lang, hindi mo na kailangan i-promote. And 2014 pa to So yung mga talagang OG readers na to, parang tumanda na sila, alam mo yun. And then, knowing na magkakaroon ng adaptation, everybody's so excited. Kaya naman sobrang nakakatuwa kasi ang laking project yung binigay sa amin, nakakatuwa. And we're so thankful kay Boss for the first time kami yung nilagay dito sa
Paano yun? How did you take the risk nga? Di ba sabi mo yung mga pinalitan, hindi pinalitan, pero you tweak or nag-ad-lib kayo in some, how would you balance it sa expectation ng mga fans natin?
Nag-stick po talaga kami sa mga eksena, lalo na sa mga lines na nasa book. Pero kasi, knowing directive, hindi pwede na yun lang. Meron talaga siyang i-add na mas magiging colorful pa, mas magiging funny, yung mga simpleng eksena na wala naman talaga sa book. May mga nilagay din siya para mas extra funny yung mga eksena.
Yeah, it's our job to give life to the book. And at the same time, may iniba kami, pero we're so confident na parang it's going to be even better. Kaya nakakatawa.
Wait, so bakit mo tinawag na wife material si Ren? Yes.
Sobrang supportive na kasi as a person. And walang ka-air-air and very hardcore. So dun pa lang, makikita mo yung values na kasi. And so,
Yeah. Ikaw naman, Ren, what's your reaction to that? Husband material ba si Mark?
Honestly, syempre nakakatuwa na na-appreciate ka ng nakakasama mo, di ba? Araw-araw halos magkasama kami. At iba yung nabibigay mo yung best mo because may taong nakakakita nang hindi mo nakikita sa sarili mo. So, very lucky to have, di ba?
Grabe naman yun, nakakita na hindi mo nakikita. Ano yung nakita ni Mark na hindi mo nakita sa sarili mo?
Hindi, honestly, malaking tulong talaga na lagi niya ako nire-remind na parang, huwag na masyado mag-overthink. Ako kasi lagi talaga, kasi lagi ako nag-overthink ng mga bagay-bagay na parang feeling ko laging kulang, laging hindi ko nagagawa yung best ko, pero lagi siya nandyan to remind me na parang no, hindi, kasi kaya ko to, at nagagawa mo well.
Wow.
Yeah,
Malaking
because
bagay yun.
sometimes you only need, you know, it needs one person to believe in you, and you can conquer the world.
Grabe, na-motivational to ka pala ni Mark.
Totoo.
Kamusta na, Mark, yung vlog mo? Yung mga nawala na,
I
yung
mean, well,
nawala.
it's a good problem. You
Oo,
know, that
nawala ka ng
means
oras.
busy tayo, marami tayong ginagawa, but babalikan ko.
Kaya nga feeling ko dahil hindi mo na nga nagawa yung online mga vlog
Yeah,
na
yeah.
motivational talk, na ibaling mo na kay Ren. Yung mga na-save mong cats and animals.
Oh, I have a new one. So, yung pinaka-recent na na-save ko, first time ko maka-experience na may leukemia. So, may cancer siya.
Yeah.
Sabi nung doctor, if hindi raw magpo-progress yung sickness niya, baka raw mga 1 to 2.5 years na itatagal. But we're positive and sobrang lakas na ngayon, lakas na kumain. Ang laki ng development ng balat niya. So, yeah, we're taking good care.
How do you take care of a cat with leukemia? With cats?
Well, may mga medication. But the same thing, just parang kinwarantine lang namin siya kasi nakakahawa yung sickness. Especially kapag nakain doon yung stool niya. So, parang sineparate namin
Nakakawa
siya.
yung leukemia ng cat.
Yeah.
What's the name for cat?
Nyla.
Naila.
Actually, nakuha ko siya sa set na sa may kainta. So, pagdating ko pa lang doon, iyak ko. So, sabi ko, babalikan ko. After yung pack-up, kinuha ko na siya. And, yeah, parang after 2 days, dinala namin siya. And na-discover na ko.
Ang ilang cat mo siya?
15 rescued cat.
Got yun na siya. Hindi pa po. Lagi niya lang nakikwento.
Oh, wow. Have you posted Naila on?
Yeah.
Can I also dito grab her?
Of course.
Grabe. Kahanga-hanga si Marco.
Sabi
Oh my God,
Kasi,
season gets.
di ba yung iba parang makikita siya na parang strong guy, na parang macho lang, guwapo lang. No. Yung heart niya talaga is very pure.
Nasave ka rin ba niya rin? Parang nasave ka rin
Ay,
sa
Miss
confidence
MJ.
mo sa sarili mo.
Honestly, ang daming pagkakataon na umiiyak ako, ganyan, na parang ganyan. As in, sobrang pag-down na down ako, nag-pressure ako sa work. As in, lagi niya ako kinakausap. At tawagan niya ako, can I call? Tapos tawagan niya ako just to make me feel okay. As in, malaking bagay talaga siya. Na meron kang tao nakakausap sa mga ganong times na parang feeling mo hindi mo kaya or feeling mo nanghihina ka na, baka bukas hindi ka makapag-work well. But yeah, malaking bagay na may support system.
Would you say this friendship goes beyond my husband is a mommy?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Kasi una pa lang namin na alam ko na malayo yung mararating yung friendship. And we're very comfortable with each other. And like what I said earlier, I think this is the most genuine pair of experience. And I'm lucky.
Wait, so just to wrap this, Ren, you've been with Viva matagal na. Marco, 1 year na pa? Or mga 1 year?
By July.
It's such a fast. I do remember nung nila
Yeah, right?
It was a
Recent
risk.
lang.
It was a risk because I remember parang right now, what Pirapirasong Paraiso, do you remember that?
Oh, yeah. That was my
Charlie.
last project.
Exactly, ABS.
2024 yata.
Oo, that was, it's actually, it has a rerun now. So, napanood kita doon. Yeah, it has a rerun now on TV. So, napanood kita doon. I was like, parang kahapon lang, na-interview kayo ni Charlie. And then now, wow, you're doing Wattpad. Can you sum up, those moves as an actor? Diba? Because not all, diba, would think na parang, ikaw, like you did horror, now you're doing Wattpad. Ikaw, you're a drama actor, now you're doing Wattpad is no easy feat.
You know what, like what I would always give advice to people, especially new actors, that you shouldn't be afraid to try things. Kasi, di ba, failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of success. So even if you fail, you get something. So, yeah, you just have to embrace the uncertainty. Yun yung naramdaman ko na parang, saan ba ako? Ano ba nangyayari? Bakit hindi ako nakakakuha ng roles ngayon na gusto ko? And so, it's such a big move na, syempre, I was with ABS for 15 years. Diba, pag alam mo yung nasanay ka na doon, nakakatakot na lumipat ka sa bagong environment. And you have so many questions, paano ba sila magtrabaho dito, paano ba yung set, ganito rin ba yung set quality, and I'm just so happy, I think, seeing God made it kasi. Siya yung nag-open ng doors na, go ahead, do your thing.
Nagulat ba kayo sa fandom ng What? Kasi alam na nila ito eh. Pero ikaw, I'm sure, di ba, parang with the PS.
Naranasan niya eh.
Oo, na-shock ka ba? Na parang, my God, may ganitong parang opening, you know, another world, ibang, grabe, iba yung fandom din, wild din yung fandom.
Well, shout out to the shows na nauna, especially ang mutya ng section A. Kasi sila yung parang nilagay sa mapa ng Viva 1. Diba? And so ito nagsunod, parang hinatid. And next thing you know, it's the Mafia Force. Kaya nakaka-overwhelm at the same time.
Iba, Miss MJ, lalo na kapag ang taas ng expectations sa mga tao. Tapos, nung lumabas yung teaser namin, walang negative comment. Yun yung nakakatakot. Kasi parang, paano namin ma-maintain mo?
Yun yung tinanong ko nga kung bakit yung binalance eh. Paano yung binalance? Kasi di ba ganun sila, they even asked the journalist to, some nitty-gritty questions about a certain scene that was in the book. So we were like,